Hello, good evening. My name is Noval Debidin, and I'm currently taking the quality management subject. And today I would like to present about my report, which is aviation industry and increasing service quality of aviation industry. My name is Noval Debidin, and let's continue about the presentation. First, I would like to share about the contents of this presentation, starting from introduction until hospitality. Next, I'm going to tell about the aviation industry and service quality. Aviation industry is referred to air transportation for people and goods. Meanwhile, service quality refers to the degree to which a service meets or exceeds customer expectation. Maybe I want to elaborate more about the aviation industry, where aviation industry in air transportation is a service where we, as a service provider, provide a service to move another people to from one location to another location. That is aviation industry. And in terms of cargo, we can also move on goods or on items from another place to another place. Well, maybe in the history that aviation industry or air transportation already has the history where they are become one of the alternative to become the more effective and efficient way to move a person or a goods to another place or another part of the country. So yeah, aviation industry or air transportation become a major role or a major aspects for increasing economy and the others. It is very helpful. And then next about service quality is about the quality of the service provided by the service provider in that aviation industry, where the service provider must meet the requirement or the expectation of the customer. That is the quality. We must take a look about the quality service to meet the customer expectation towards our service. Okay, next about strategy, I would like to expand more about the strategy before we're going to go with the how to achieve increasing service quality. Of course, we need a strategy. That is why a strategy defines as a high-level plan or approach design to achieve specific goals or objectives. So strategy is a plan. We make the plan, and then we are trying to achieve the goals by implementing this plan, by executing this plan or design. That is strategy. And strategy is very common use for everyone who want to achieve their goals or the one who want to achieve their purposes. So let's take a look to the first strategy, which is improve leadership. Leadership is very important. In every organization, in every industry, leaders is always playing a major role because of their characteristics. So the characteristics such as inspiring, goal decision making, risk taker, and then always be supportive towards their employees. So many more. The characters of leadership play a major role for increasing service quality. As the quality guru said, Deming, in 14 points of management, improving leadership is one of the points where it is playing a major role to increasing service of the increasing the quality. So in terms in aviation industry, improving leadership continuously in aviation industry is very helpful to increasing service quality. It is very important because the leadership characteristic in that organization industry can help increasing service quality. So yeah, to increasing service quality, we must keep improving our leadership in organization or in that particular industry. Next is about voice of customer. In voice of customer, there are dimensions that I would like to tell. First is customer want, customer need, customer expectation, customer specification, and customer requirements. Where as a service provider, we must meet the customer uh, all the dimension already tell about. So yeah, as a service provider, we must listen to the customer, we must receive feedback, so the customer will feel valuable. They can have a value to our industry. In terms in this context, we are talking about the aviation industry, where customer is playing a major role because yeah, of course, customer or the passengers will use the service to our service provider. It is very important. So to increasing service quality, we must listen to our customer. We must meet their expectation so the customer will satisfied. So the service quality will be increasing in aviation industry. Next is safety and security. Okay, maybe in safety and security in aviation industry has a long history where there are multiple accidents and the others. But yeah, through times, better and better, the safety and security in aviation industry or in air transportation, it keeps getting better and better and better. For example, right now, when we are going to go to another place using an airplane, we are going to go to the airport. And in that airport, we're going to go to a process where we are going to be scanned, and then our belongings will be also scanned to make sure that there is no dangerous items that bring to the airplane. So from that, we can ensure as a customer that it is very safe to go to the aviation or to use an air transportation service. Also, when the airplane, before they are going to take off and go to the other places, the airplane also has an inspection where the airplane will be inspect from the machine, from the interior and the other to make sure that their airplane is very safe to fly to another place, from one place to another place. So that is the we must ensure and we must maintain. Also, we must improving that particular aspect to increasing service quality in aviation industry. It is very important. And through times, innovation also play a major role in increasing service quality. Maybe innovation can be attachable to the safety and security because, yeah, to make sure the safety, innovation play a major role. In the past, we just go checking by seeing and the others, and yeah, the others. But right now we are using a CT scan and the others. So it is very helpful in innovation and technology in increasing service quality. Next, reliability. Reliability in aviation refers to the consistent and dependable the performance of aircraft systems and processes to ensure safe and efficient air transportation. Reliability is a critical aspect of aviation safety and it encompasses various elements, including the reliability of aircraft systems, engines, avionics, and the overall operational process within the aviation industry. Yes, reliability is one of the dimensions in service quality. It is very important that as a service provider in aviation industry to keep maintaining reliability. It is very important to increase in service quality. Next, tangible. Tangible elements refer to physical, observable, and concrete aspects of the service that customer can see, touch, or experience. As a passenger or the customer in air transportation service industry, the passenger will feel about the how they go to the airport and see the facility that provided by service provider. From that, we as the customer can know that they are matching our expectation towards their service. So as tangible refer to appearances. So yeah, maybe in another context we can see from the employee uniforms where the appearance is well mannered. We as a customer will be satisfied because we are happy with the service provider by giving the tangible aspects to toward customer. So the customer will be satisfied and happy. So yeah, tangible aspect is one of the important aspect in service quality, and it can help to increase the service quality in aviation industry. So tangible is very important. The appearance of the facility, the airplane, the interior of airplane is very important. Next, we're going to talk about hospitality. In air transportation, there is cabin crew. And hospitality in aviation refers to the provision of courteous, personalized, and high-quality service to passengers throughout the air travel experience. Okay, maybe if you want to elaborate more and explain more, we can take one of the examples in one of the company airliner called Garuda Indonesia, where they are noted as the best cabin crew in the world, number one. So, so the other company make Garuda Indonesia in terms of hospitality become a benchmark. So no, let's imagine this Garuda Indonesia and then this the other company in terms of hospitality. So because of benchmarking, the other company must match the Garuda Indonesia hospitality. So the service quality of in that aviation industry can increasing way more continuously because if one gets better and one get better, they must meet the requirement in that benchmark. So in that aviation industry, the service quality can be increasing. This is in terms of hospitality. That is why hospitality must keep increasing in one order and one order in airliner company. Maybe one other strategies to increasing service quality is quality assurance, as we as the service provider must assure our service meet the quality expectation of the customer. Yeah, we must assure that the service we are giving to the customer is meeting the customer expectation. It is very important. As hospitality, we're going to make hospitality, where hospitality also play a major role. And yeah, quality assurance play a major role in terms of very every aspects in operational in service provider. So it is very important for us to always see the quality assurance for every aspect in that service industry in terms in this aviation industry. So to conclude, so aviation industry play a major role. They have play a major role in moving people to another place in terms of times, effective and efficiency. Rather than using land or sea transportation, air transportation is far way better because it costs time less to move from another place to another place. And to increasing the service quality in aviation industry, there are multiple strategies. First, improving leadership. Leadership is a very common way to increasing service quality because a good leader is a good company and a good organization. That is why improving leadership is way better. And then we must listen to our customers. We must maintain reliability. We must ensure safety and security in aviation industry because people want to be safe in air transportation. When they're moving from another place to another place, they want to be safe. Yeah, of course, they will also want to be safe from moving from another place to another place. And then hospitality, lastly, and quality assurance and tangibility, where the appearance of the service is important for the customer. So customer can be feel satisfied and it can increasing the service quality. I think that's all from me about my presentation about aviation industry, which is a service industry that I chose, and about how we increasing the service quality in service aviation industry. My name is Novel Abidin. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope everyone having a very good day. Bye-bye.